So today I'm going to speak about C programming language and its creator Dennis Ritchie. C is one of the most important and widely used programming language in the world. It was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratory. C is known for its simplicity, efficiency, and speed, and it has played major roles in the development of operating system, embedded system, and modern software applications. Dennis Ritchie was a computer scientist who not only created C programming language but also developed the Unix operating system that we use today. And on the basis of Unix operating system, many other operating systems were developed. So through this presentation, we will see about the C programming language and its application and its feature and some other things related to the C programming language. So let's see some history about the scientist. So basically, the scientist name is Dennis Ritchie, and he was an American scientist, as you are able to see. And he is known for creating the C programming language in 1972. And a part of C programming language, he also co-developed the Unix operating system with Ken Thompson at Bell Laboratory. Okay, so he also gave some contribution. So I would say it is not some contribution. He gave huge contribution to the modern computing. And let's see that why is Dennis Ritchie is important for us. So basically, the language created by Dennis Ritchie is very influential programming language ever created. Okay, so why we are saying it is influential? So if we talk about some other languages like C++, Java, C Sharp, or Python, if you talk about any other languages, programming languages, all have been developed on the basis of C programming language. So you can say C++ and Java are and some other languages are influenced by C programming language. And if we talk about Unix, so basically Unix is an operating system, and on the basis of Unix, some other operating system have been developed like Linux, Mac operating system, and various Unix based systems have been developed. So let's see its use cases. Okay, so first of all, C programming language is used in operating system, in embedded system also for the development of a device driver, and it is also used in system software and some other applications are also been developed in C programming language. So let's talk about some features of the C. It is simple and efficient programming language. It has fast execution and it is portable. So why it is called portable? Because it runs on different platforms. And C programming language support the structured programming. Okay, so when it comes to the structured programming, it is easy for us to understand. We can easily read or we can easily understand the programming. Basically, we can easily understand the C programming, what is written in the coding, and we can understand everything. It has a rich set of operators and functions, and it is very close to hardware basically. So when it comes to the hardware, then it is good for system programming. So let's see the basic structure of C programming language. So here you are able to see the basic structure of C programming language. So first line has include stdio.h. Okay, so basically it's library that we have added in the top of the program, and after that we are able to see int main, which is and then after the int main we are able to see curly brackets, and some instructions are written inside the curly brackets that we are able to see. Let's see the explanation. So basically has include stdio.h is a include standard input output library. Int main is a starting point of the program, and printf. So basically printf is a inbuilt function that is available in standard input output library. So the work of printf is to give output on the console or a screen. And return 0. So return 0 is the ending of the program. When you are mentioning return 0, so it means ends, it means the ending of the program is successful. So let's see some applications of the C programming language. So you can also create some Linux kernel development in C. Database systems have also been developed in C. Compilers are being developed in C programming language. Embedded devices are also being developed with the help of languages. And application C programming is also used in networking software. Okay, so these were some applications of the C programming languages. So if you want to learn the Linux kernel development, then you should know C programming, C coding. And if you want to learn embedded system networking, then you should know the C programming language. Without C programming language, you cannot understand or you cannot do mastery on the Linux kernel development or embedded systems. So let's see some advantages. Okay, so basically it is fast and efficient programming language, and it is very easy to understand for the beginners. So if you are a beginner, then you can also learn, you can easily understand the C programming language. And if we talk about the foundations, so basically it is foundation for other programming languages, and it is widely used in industries. So if we talk about the industries, it is highly used programming language in the industry. Okay, if we talk about embedded industries, if we talk about uh, any like IoT industries, so everywhere like C cannot be neglected. It is highly used. So that is why like C is often called a mother of all the programming languages, because modern programming languages have been developed on the basis of C programming. So basically, yeah, C programming is used to develop system software and system applications also. So